This video is presented to you by www.testprepadda.com. Now in this video, I'll take another theorem. The theorem says for any real numbers x and theta, cos x is equal to cos theta implies x is equal to 2n pi plus minus theta, where n belongs to integers. Got it? Theorem says for any real numbers x and theta, cos x is equal to cos theta implies x is equal to 2n pi plus minus theta. Actually, this theorem gives you the general solution for cos x is equal to cos theta equation. Okay, we will try to prove this here. What is given? Cos x is equal to cos theta. What can we write for cos x is equal to cos theta? I can write this in the form of cos x minus cos theta equal to 0. Now use transformation. What transformation will you use here? Cos c minus cos d. Recall the formula. The formula is 2 sine c plus d by 2 into sine d minus c by 2. Got it? So I can write this as 2 sine x plus theta by 2 into sine theta minus x by 2 equal to 0. Got it? And you can write this as 2 sine x plus theta by 2 into sine x minus theta by 2 equal to 0. Okay, now if a into b is equal to 0, then either a is equal to 0 or b equal to 0. Here we can write what? Sine x plus theta by 2 equal to 0, or sine x minus theta by 2 equal to 0. Okay, and as you know, if sine alpha equal to 0, then alpha will be what? N pi. Got it? So here what can you write? You can say x plus theta by 2 equal to n pi, or x minus theta by 2 equal to n pi. Got it? So x will be written what? 2n pi minus theta, or x is equal to 2n pi plus theta. Okay. Now, if I combine the two, then x can be written what? X can be written as 2n pi plus minus theta, where n belongs to integers. Now go and check the theorem. You can see x is equal to 2n pi plus minus theta, where n belongs to integers. So we have proved this theorem. Now the conclusion part. General solution. General solutions. General solution for cos x is equal to cos theta can be written as x is equal to 2n pi plus minus theta, where n belongs to integers and theta will be taken from 0 to pi. In what interval will you take theta? 0 to pi. For general solutions of cos x is equal to cos theta. Cos x is equal to cos theta. Now I'll take few examples here to understand this. If I take cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Cos x is equal to 1 by 2. As we know, between 0 to pi, between 0 to pi, cos x is equal to half for cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree, or you can say pi by 3. Okay, so I can write this as cos x is equal to cos pi by 3. And if cos x is equal to cos pi by 3, we have seen the general solution. X is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3, where n belongs to integers. Okay, this is about general solution. But if I talk about the principal solutions, if I write principal solution, what should be the interval? Between 0 and 2 pi. Between 0 and 2 pi. If I write the value of n as 0, my x comes as plus minus pi by 3. If I write n as 1, my x comes as 2 pi minus pi by 3 and 2 pi plus pi by 3. So what value do I get here? 5 pi by 3. 2 pi minus pi by 3 and 2 pi plus pi by 3. I'll get 5 pi by 3 here, and here 7 pi by 3. So what angles belong to 0 to 2 pi interval? Pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. So pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3 will be considered as principal solutions of cos x is equal to half. Got it? Now, I'll take another equation to understand the concept. I'll take cos x is equal to minus half. Okay, if cos is equal to minus half, we know minus half is the minus half for cos theta is the value for cos 2 pi by 3. Cos 2 pi by 3, or you can say cos 120 degree. Cos 120 degree between 0 to pi. Okay, so I can write this as cos x is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. So what general solution can you write here? X is equal to 2n pi plus minus theta means 2 pi by 3, where n belongs to integers. Now if I try to find principal solutions here, if I try to find principal solutions, principal solutions. What is the interval? 0 to 2 pi. Okay, now if I put n as 0, then x comes as plus minus 2 pi by 3. If I put n as 1, then x comes as 2 pi plus pi by 3 and 2 pi minus pi by 3. This way it comes 7 pi by 3. Since it is 2 pi by 3, so it becomes 8 pi by 3. So 2 pi plus 2 pi by 3 is 8 pi by 3, and 2 pi minus 2 pi by 3 will become 4 pi by 3. Okay, so if I talk about the interval 0 to 2 pi, then two values you can see, 2 pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3 will be taken as the principal solutions for cos x is equal to minus half. Got it? Now here I'll take another theorem. Here the theorem says if x and theta are not odd multiple of pi by 2, then tan x is equal to tan theta implies x is equal to n pi plus theta, where n belongs to integers. If x and theta are not odd multiple of pi by 2, then tan x is equal to tan theta implies x is equal to n pi plus theta, where n belongs to integers. So actually the standard equation is tan x is equal to tan theta, and here x means solution, general solution of tan x is equal to tan theta. So first we will prove this. What is given? Tan x is equal to tan theta. So I can write this as sin x upon cos x is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, I can write this as sin x upon cos x minus sin theta upon cos theta equal to 0. And if I take the LCM, cos x cos theta, then numerator will be sin x cos theta minus sin theta cos x. Okay, now recall sin A minus B. What is the formula? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, now check this numerator. The numerator can be written what? Sin x minus theta, and cos x into cos theta when multiplied with 0 will become 0. So at the end I get here sin x minus theta equal to 0. Now recall, if sin alpha equal to 0, then alpha will be written what? N pi, where n belongs to integer. So here what can we write? X minus theta is equal to n pi, or x is equal to n pi plus theta, where n belongs to integers. Got it? Now you can see what is given in the theorem. It is same, x is equal to n pi plus theta. So what conclusion we can draw from here? General solution. General solution for what? Tan x is equal to tan theta. So general solution for equation tan x is equal to tan theta will be x is equal to n pi plus theta, where n belongs to integers and theta will be taken from pi by 2 to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 open interval. Okay, so this way we can write general solution for equation tan x is equal to tan theta. Now to understand this, I'll take one example here. If I write tan x is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Tan x is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Recall plus 1 by root 3. Plus 1 by root 3 is the value of tan pi by 6, tan 30 degree. Recall. So minus 1 by root 3 will be the value of tan minus pi by 6. Okay, minus 1 by root 3 will be tan minus pi by 6, and this minus pi by 6 lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So I can take this as our theta. So tan x will be written as tan minus pi by 6. Got it? So look at the general solution. General solution is x is equal to n pi plus theta. So here x will be written what? N pi minus pi by 6. Got it? So where n belongs to integer. So for tan x is equal to minus 1 by root 3, the general solution will be x is equal to n pi minus pi by 6, where n belongs to integer. Now if I talk about the principal solution, now recall, for principal solutions, what is the interval? 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi. Between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, we have taken minus pi by 6. Now if I substitute the value of n as 0, x comes minus pi by 6. If I substitute the value of n as 1, then my x comes as pi minus pi by 6, and that is 5 pi by 6. Okay, if I substitute the value of this n as 2, then x comes as 2 pi minus pi by 6, that is 11 pi by 6. Okay, if I substitute the value of n as 3, then x comes as 3 pi minus pi by 6, and that comes as 17 pi by 6. Okay, so what angles lie between 0 to 2 pi here? 5 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. So the principal solutions will be what? 5 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. These are the two principal solutions. They lie between 0 to 2 pi. Got it? So in this video we have learnt about the general solutions of cos x is equal to cos theta, and we also learnt about the general solutions of tan x is equal to tan theta. Got it? I hope you have understood all these things. Thank you. This video is presented to you by www.testprepadda.com. testprepadda.com provides free audio-visual lectures of different subjects by expert faculties, free online tests prepared by expert faculties to students who are preparing for engineering or medical entrance exams or planning to take exams like KVPY, Olympiad, etc. It provides a platform where students can interact with mentors to improve their performance in the exams. The mission of this online medium is to help students to achieve their goals. Log on to www.testprepadda.com to watch free video lectures on different topics, to download free revision notes, to take free chapter-wise online tests, progressive test, and mock test, to discuss doubts with mentors. Thank you for watching the video. To stay up to date with the latest videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on our Facebook page, Test Prep Adda. All the best.